Hello everyone and welcome back. We are Sunday, March 17th. Happy Paddy's Day. It is this morning when I woke up I was 62.95 kilos, so nothing changed since yesterday. No loss, no gain, which is really good because I actually had my period yesterday, and so the first day of the period is always very tough. I broke my fast and let's look at the numbers. So 2092 calories total, 122.4 grams of protein. I walked 16,336 steps and 11.6 kilometers, which is very good. Not as long as usual, but very good for the first day of my period, like today. No, I don't think I'm gonna walk much. Anyways, I broke my fast with my smoothie in the morning. Protein smoothie was very good. Then I had 2 eggs and toast with jam for lunch because I hadn't prepped lunch. I didn't want to prep my lunch. I like to make eggs on the weekend. And for my last meal, I had what I had prepped. So the seitan, basmati rice, corn, and a mix of red and green pepper. I added to that later on chocolate, a few squares, a little bit of almonds, grilled almond, goat cheese on the top of the seitan as well, dish, and hot chocolate. It was overall a very good day. In terms of workout, I did upper body. It was intense. It was intensity 3 on 10. It wasn't athletic at all. Again, first day of my period. Will be very gentle with myself. Okay, so actually, yeah, I did a good workout, but it was just less. I did less than usual, and I felt tired, so I took care of myself, did what I could, and gave myself a 3 on 10. I am not going to feel bad for anything about yesterday. It was a very good day. When it is my period, I want to take care of myself. I want to relax. I want to take a nap if I need to, especially if it's Saturday. That was great. And I'm certainly not going to go, oh no, this was not an athletic workout. No, already I walked a lot. I trained. I did what I could, and I did great. So bottom line, if we all have different symptoms anyway when it comes to that specific time of the year, time of the month. Sadly, it's not the year. And I mean, at the end of the day, some will not feel anything. Some will be tired. Some will have huge cramps. Whatever your situation, just mind yourself. Make sure you take care of yourself. In the meantime, it is Paddy's Day, so I am going to go and celebrate. That's all I have to say really for yesterday. It was a Saturday. It was great. And I will see you tomorrow for the feedback on today, Sunday, the 17th of March. Bye.